Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this 2020 on a 20 plate Audi Q3 Sportback S-Line 45 TFSI Quattro in turbo blue. Now this car is part of the Audi approved use scheme, which means it qualifies for a minimum of 12 months warranty and is available with flexible finance packages. For more details or to arrange a test drive, contact us now on 01785 899 417. Now going down to the front of this vehicle, you can see the LED headlights, which are super bright and make nighttime driving very easy. And you can also see the exquisite design of the honeycomb grille at the front. Now when you take a look to the side, as we are now, you can see the coupe-like styling of this Sportback version, and you can also see the silver accents on the front of the car. These are highlighted by the excellent turbo blue solid paintwork. Now looking down at the alloy wheels, here we have the amazing 19-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloy wheels, which really complement the turbo blue paintwork alongside the silver accents that are available on this S-Line model. Now if we move back from the vehicle slightly, then have a look at the side profile, you can see, complementing the wheels as I've just mentioned, the silver trim, and you can also see the S-Line design package from the front and rear bumpers, along with the coupe styling of the Sportback version of this Q3. Now despite being a coupe version, this is plenty practical for anything that you may need. Now looking in the back of this vehicle here, you can see the 3 large rear seats, along with the folding down centre armrest with cup holders. And looking down, you can see the excellent quality inside this vehicle. And you can also see the vents at the bottom for rear passengers to make sure they're as comfortable as they can be. Now if we stand back to the rear 3/4 of the vehicle, you can see the LED rear lights, along with a closer look at that coupe design at the back for the Sportback. The car looks very aggressive from the back. And now walking up towards the boot, this is a power operated tailgate, so I'm just pushing a button underneath the Audi logo there, and it opens right up. This can also be done from the key and inside the car. Now this boot is very large and is great for golf clubs or suitcases for those weekends away, and the seats do fold 40-20-40 to make sure anything you want to put in the back, from skis to larger items, this car can do it. Now if we stand back again to this rear 3/4, you can once again see the aggressive styling that's available with the Q3 Sportback. This car in turbo blue also suits the excellent lower bumper trim in silver on the back of this particular vehicle. Now walking around here again, let's go inside the vehicle and have a quick look inside before our more in-depth look later on. So you can see here the sporty design of the interior alongside the excellent materials, which in this vehicle include the part leather seats with the S-Line embossing. These are perfect seats, they're really comfortable, they've got extendable under thigh support, and they are also very adjustable. Now, let's have a look inside this vehicle in more depth. Now, as I said earlier, this vehicle is available with a minimum of 12 months warranty, as it does qualify for our Audi approved used scheme. And for more information, please contact us now or to arrange a test drive on 01785 899 417. Now on the next section of this video, we're going to have a look inside at more depth. Now here you have your power window controls along with your power rear child locks, as well as the mirror adjustability. These mirrors are heated and folding. And you can see there your light switches. These lights are obviously fully automatic. And then moving back here, you can see the S-Line 3-spoke design steering wheel that is also multifunctional. And then looking in here on the digital virtual cockpit, you can see this is a very clear screen and is easily controlled, as I'm doing so now, through buttons on the steering wheel. So you can have a look at your radio stations. You can also have a look at your telephone as well as your navigation alongside settings. You can also change the view of the dials, as I've done just. So these are the buttons down here. The 2 arrows at the top move it from side to side, and the swivel wheel rolls it up and down. And on this side here, you have your volume controls and controls for the radio, as well as for your telephone and voice control. This vehicle is also fitted with a cruise control system, which means that those longer journeys are easier and you can take your foot off the accelerator and let the car do the work for you. Now moving over to this centre screen here, which is touch screen. Here we have displayed at the minute the navigation, but if I go to the main menu, we have many options to choose from, such as the radio, which is available with full digital audio broadcasting. We have your media options for your telephone for music. You have your telephone for it being a telephone. And then you also have your navigation systems as shown earlier, which can also be shown on the virtual cockpit. Then if we have a look at Audi's famous Drive Select, you can choose from 5 different options on how you want the car to be set up, which means that you can decide how you want your Q3 to behave depending on your mood. Now going round here to the fully automatic air conditioning. This is adjustable for passenger and driver. And then looking down here, we have controls for things such as the hill descent and volume. Now this is obviously an automatic vehicle, so this is your shifter, where you can also manually change gears. You have your automatic parking brake alongside auto hold, as well as 2 cup holders. Now in this storage area here, this is large enough for things such as a drinks bottle or your phone, anything you may want to put in there. Now that completes the interior tour of this Q3. So for further details or to book a test drive, please contact us at Stafford Audi on 01785 899 417 and we look forward to welcoming you. Thank you for watching this video.